Hi, welcome back. Hopefully, no technical issues this time. Someone has joined. Say hi in the chat. Let's start with the beginning. Yeah, what we were discussing in the last video. So, I have to build a simple extension, Chrome extension for my client, and I was going to do it using Chat GPT. And I had just watched Google Bard's announcement that day. So I thought, you know what, let's try Google Bard. And I had just written the prompt in it when I realized that I should actually compare the two. And then I thought, if I'm going to compare the two, then I might as well try and basically stream the comparison and see if it can actually make a decent Chrome extension. Obviously, I'm not expecting it to be completely optimized, and since it's such a simple extension, there isn't much optimization that is required. Monetize it. What? The extension is for a client. I'll explain in a minute. And yes, the tools, that's what I was talking about in the last video. Thanks for reminding me. So there are certain people, missed the joke. Okay. There are certain people who are just tool users. I mean, we are all tool users to a certain extent, but some people are just that. So the value that they are providing to a company or to a client is that they can use a certain tool. And those people are really terrified right now, and they should be terrified because their jobs are in danger. Not right now, but in a couple of years, definitely. But those who use tools, but the value they create is more than the tool itself, those people can leverage these new AI chatbots. Well, technically, they are all large language models. So we can leverage these tools and provide even more value for our clients or in your job. Now, obviously, having right incentives in the job is also important. But if you want to get ahead, then you have to use them because you are probably not going to be replaced by AI, but you are probably going to be replaced by someone who uses AI better than you. And it's coming for every field. And even for coding, I don't think it can actually create a very complex piece of software on its own. I used it in a previous project as well, and I had to, and I didn't really know about it, and then I had to go and learn what it was doing. It was something related to databases which I was not familiar with, so I had to go and read and learn it, and then only I was able to understand the code that it had written, as well as that it was correct or not. Right? Not sure if it's not sure if it's my network or on your end, but the screen is blurry. Let me see on the iPad. I'll just check. It might be you are traveling, so it might be that. It seems fine on the iPad. I think if you press the settings icon, then you can see what quality it is running on. For me, it's on 1440p, and for you, it might be something different because obviously you are, uh, probably away from good signal, good towers, not in a city, right? All right. So let's start coding actually, and or rather prompting the AI to code, and I'll follow the instructions. Then if any of those or both of those fail, then I'll just show you how I will make the extension myself. I doubt that it will. I have used ChatGPT before, and I don't think that for such a simple extension it is going to fail. For Bard, I'm not sure. I have not heard very good things about Bard till now. Although the new Palm 2 model that they're using, the story might be different with that one. So First, you're right. Okay, good. What is the quality it's showing in your? So at least the stream is working fine. You can watch in a better quality tomorrow also, because most of this is going to be text, right? So mixmax custom CSS extension. This is what we want to do. So my client has a tool. He is using it on Gmail. It's an extension on Gmail that adds certain buttons, and he doesn't like the placement of those buttons because for whatever reason, they are not ergonomically, or the location is not ideal for him. And tried it yet? What? What did I try yet? 144p. No. Oh my god. कोई नहीं. Anyway, so where was I? My client wants to move those buttons. Okay. And it's a very simple job. I was already doing a different job for him, and he said, "Can I do this?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." It probably take half an hour, but now it will take longer because I'm going to be streaming and stuff. Don't tell him that. So let's begin. Where is my Chrome? I can't see because of the light. Here it is, Bard. And for some reason, I actually already asked Bard yesterday, and that is gone. Yeah, it doesn't remember what you asked. So let's just going to create a prompt. Let's start with you are a I learned all these from like what prompt engineering courses that I did. So you should tell the AI that it is. I don't know. They work on ChatGPT. I hope this also works on Bard. So I'll just copy and paste the same prompt to both of them. So you are an experienced Chrome extension developer. You have to create a Chrome extension that will allow the user to put any custom CSS and JS on a page. It stores the CSS and JS for each of the domains website separate. Fuck, I'll fix it. And automatically applies them. I'll actually remove the JS part, just the CS. That's what I need right now. So maybe later on we can do that. And the page whenever it is loaded. I'll copy this. Illiterate. True. Spelling is not my strong suit. Sure, here's other steps to create a Chrome extension that allows you to put any custom CSS on a page. Chrome extensions page on Chrome extensions. Click on load. Okay, let's follow what it's asking us to do. I would actually create a new guest one or new one. Continue without an account. Testing. And sure, dark purple. Let's go. No. No, don't do all this. Ads. Okay, so it's asking us to go to Chrome extensions. It's giving us very verbose thing. Load unpacked extension button. Okay, that I'll do once I have created the extension, dude. My screen is very was talking about myself. Oh. Yeah, you're probably not able to read what I'm writing. That's good. I made spelling errors. Once the extension is loaded, you will. I did fix them with spell check before I sent it to Bard. You will see it in the list of extensions. Yeah, first I have to write it, bro. In the settings page, you will see the text area where you can enter. Okay, this is telling me how it will work once I have done it. Okay. Oh my god, it's giving us manifest version 1.0. That's not going to work. Okay, it's too experienced. Use manif. I'll just say manifest 1.0 is not supported on Chrome anymore. You are correct, manifest. Arey bhai. Oh, okay. This is already worse than ChatGPT. I already know. Anyway, you know what? Let's start. Uh, this is something that you have to give to ChatGPT. Let's try ChatGPT. We'll try both 3.5 Turbo as well as ChatGPT 4. So let's just go ChatGPT 4 first or 3.5 first. Let's just go 4, right? Okay, this is not what I wanted. Yesterday, when I prompted it, I didn't test out what it gave back, but it was using Manifest 3 and all that. Let's see. Let's reset this chat because this is just useless. Manifest 1.0, like, it's so old that you need Chrome, I don't know, 65 or something. I don't even know. Let's see. When did Manifest version 1 expire? I don't know. Chrome. Deprecated in Chrome 18. Oh my god. Oh, amazing. Okay, so now, okay, this is not a Chrome extension, is it? Save it in Chrome Web Store. Hmm. Permissions tabs. I have no idea what it's saying. This will allow you extension. Bro, you're not giving me the answer. Wow. Come on. Like, this is not usable. Okay, first we have to create manifest.json file. It's also using manifest version 2. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. It might not be able to do it because manifest version 3 continue करके देखते हैं because I think it was writing something more. Yeah, because manifest version 3 came out in later after the 2021 cutoff date of the data that it was trained on. Let's see. Mm, best, I think manifest version 3 came out not that long ago, but I have used it last year also. In, I don't know, January or something, I created a extension for a client, and in 2022, yeah. As of January 2022, Chrome Web Store stopped accepting Manifest V2. So January 2022. Mm, but it came out in November 2020. So it should be able to do it, right? Creating icons. Okay. I didn't think about that. We'll do that later. We just use Verme's icons, my client's company's icons. Mm, let's say manifest version 2 is no longer supported by Chrome. When we said this to Bard, it just said yes. Oh, oh wow. This is really impressive. So I see. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Chrome was planning to phase out Manifest 2 in favor of Manifest 3. My apologies and confusion. Okay, now Manifest 3. Wait, was that Manifest 3 or was that version 1? I might have made a mistake. I'll go back and check in the stream. Okay, no, it was using Manifest version 2, not Manifest version 1. My bad. But it didn't fix it when I said, oh, that was not good. Okay. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Wow, this is, I mean, it's very okay, so we have to change the manifest file. The rest of the files, pop-up HTML, pop-up JS, pop and contents JS, can remain the same, but there are some changes we made in the background script. Okay. Background page is now event driven and does not persist. True. This means we cannot query tabs directly from the background page. Yes, we need to pass a message on the pop-up script instead. That is right. Wow. Here we'll add a message to the background script when the save button is clicked. This notify to update the CSS. Okay, let's start by building what Chat GPT is giving us, right? Let's create a new folder. This is the one that Chat GPT gave me. And let's open it up in VS Code. Hi, someone else has joined. Please say hi in the chat, guys. Let's go manifest.json. Boom, copied, pasted. Next we want, now we can go back and get the popup.html. Popup.html, popup.js. We'll make the manifest 3 changes on in it as well later on. Popup.js and background script content.js. Okay, content.js. I don't know if this is going to work. Creating icons, that I will do later on. Background script. This means it can't query the ones. So I think for the background script, we can't use the old one at all, and we have to just what is the previous background script is doing. Element is not changed. Yeah, we cannot do that. I could actually just ask it, and it will probably be able to tell me. Pop-up.js, maybe we have to make this change. I think I just change it. Great. I really love this. Now the extension should work with Manifest version 3. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. Okay, so let's try this. Developer mode. Load. Unpack. Where is it? To be work. Freelance. Vermeer. And Chat GPT. There you go. I think I have to add the icons. Icon.png. Okay. I'll get some icons. Now it should work. Now it should work. Boom. Let's open google.com, translate.google.com. Sure. Why not? Custom CSS injector. Let's try some custom CSS. Let's change the color of the body. Didn't do anything. What if I reload? Okay, that's not working. Let's first let me look at the code to see what it's doing wrong, and then I'll ask what it's doing wrong and try to fix it. Hmm. Very technical, yes. Where is that? Okay, so let me see what it's trying to do actually. Let's start with popup.html. It's taking a CSS input, save button, popup.js. Let's go to popup.js. What's that doing? Okay, so we had active tab. We are taking the current window. Sure. Get the URL of the current tab, CSS input. Chrome.storage.sync.url. Load any previously saved CSS input dot value. Yeah, seems fine. When save button is clicked, then we get the CSS value. Create a object name save of URL. Chrome.storage.sync console log. That seems fine. Chrome.runtime.send message. And there is nothing that is receiving this message. Maybe it's in content.js. Okay, yeah. Render on message request sender. Okay. Chrome.runtime send messages URL and CSS changes. Chrome.storage.on change. When Chrome storage is changed, we do this. Does seem right actually. So what's the issue? We must, yeah, there are errors. All URLs. Failed to construct URL, invalid URL. Okay, I think this is a change in. Oh, okay. I think I should have read what ChatGPT has written here. Let's see. First, you need to. So let's just go through his whole response or its whole response. Sure, I can provide step-by-step guide to on how to build a Chrome extension. Please note that you need to have basic understanding of JavaScript, CSS, and HTML to understand the implementation in this guide. Okay. First, you will need to define a manifest file. This is the file, the Chrome name that it did. Ooh, I think this all URLs permission is not valid anymore for some reason. Let's see. All about. Okay, I don't even need to read this manifest. It gave us a new one. So I'll read that one later on. This will be the going to sleep now. We'll watch the repainted now. I think you mean tomorrow. Bye. Sweet dreams. This will be the UI of your extension, and will the user see when click the extension as here they can add their customer CSS. Understandable. The script gets current tab URL. Hello. Welcome back. This will be the UI of extension. Okay. The script. Lol. The script gets the current tab URL, loads any previously saved CSS from and saves them. Makes sense. Script listens to this. Bye. सो जाओ उठना जल्दी. Sends a message to the content script to update the CSS if the CSS of the current URL was changed. This program runs on every web page, listening for messages from the background script when it receives a message update the CSS of the current web page, creating icons. Okay, now it's telling us how to load this as a developer extension. Cool. Implement ready to do. Note that any changes. The commercial page change effect. Remember that Chrome web store policies if you decide to publish. Okay, it has changed. Background event. What's the background script doing right now? Let's try to add this because it didn't tell us to remove it. And I doubt that this will work though. Yeah, this won't work. It's the same function, like it's listening to the same event but triggering a different function. I'll just give ChatGPT the problem that is happening, which is this error. Invalid. The extension is giving the following errors. I think I'll just give both of them. That's my work. So yes, technically I'm getting paid to do this. I'll just give it both of them. Okay. Thank you, ChatGPT. Apologies for the confusion. In Manifest v3, that's what I was thinking. All URLs permission is replaced with the host permissions field. This should resolve your error. As for the second error, it seems that URL being passed to the new URL constructor is invalid. This could happen if the tabs is in undefined or not a URL string. Let's add some checks to ensure that for processing, here are the updated files. Wow. So really, I didn't have to write any code till now. I'm just copying pasting it. Let's see what it does. What was the previous one for manifest? Permissions all URLs. Okay, now it's host permissions all URLs. That's the difference. That's the difference. Okay, popup.js. This should resolve both the errors you were saying. Okay, if this works, it would be great. Let's clear all the errors and reload the extension. Service worker is ready. Reload this page as well. Just why not? And let's just do simple body, background, and let's give it a dark theme. And boom. Did it work? Nope. Could not establish a connection. Receiving and does not exist. What? Nothing to see. I move along. Okay, background JS. Stack to anonymous function. Pop-up JS. Going now. Okay, bye. Oh, you already left. Sorry. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Bard will not be able to do these things. Am I doing something wrong? Not sure. Apologies for the confusion earlier. These errors are due to the asynchronous nature of messaging. Is common particularly in manifest 3 manifest. We can't send directly from pop script or to a content script, so we need to send the message to the background the background script to the content script. Yes, that is true. I should have remembered that because I used it in my previous Chrome extension project. We must also ensure that the content script is ready to receive the message when it's sent. Okay. How is how to update the script? Cool. Let's try pop-up script, pop-up JS. What are the differences? Let's just do like there is no difference. What's it saying? Both of them are same. It just has, is it? I think they are the same. Background JS, let's go. Yeah, this is different. Now we are receiving the message in background JS and in the content script. Style element. Yeah, cool. Don't really need this. And then apply custom CSS. Now this should work. I have a good feeling about this. Just do it right now. It's not able to apply it. It didn't apply it. Did it save it though? Maybe save. Let's see. Nope. Mm. Oh, hello. I think I'll have to manually do this now. I don't think it will be able to solve this. We are sending. Where are we sending the messages? In content.js, we are saying. Sorry. Okay, this is working. This is what add listener function. This apply custom CSS function is not working. Where is it? Pop-up JS. Oh god. Where is this function, dude? Let's try to find it. Okay. It's running a function which does not exist. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's my bad. Changed it and I didn't apply those changes. Why do I do this? Okay. It's not doing it. Let's try something else. Like just simple google.com. Right. And no thanks. Let's try to make this black. Let's find this class. I mean, this is what we want to do, right? So this class, we want to change the red. Nope, not working. Where are we applying the custom CSS to? Okay, if not style element, custom CSS injector. Let's just see if it's able to put this custom CSS injector. It is. It is. We have it. Okay. Okay. Now I know why it's not working. Oh, or at least I think. Nope. That's. I mean, it's a style tag. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah. Go away, Google. So let's try to find it. Where is this? Reveal the elements panel. Hmm. 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 Should be like something like this. Nope. 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 This is. I mean, it's doing the right thing, but it's not working for some reason. Maybe it's Google itself that's not working. We can try some other website. Let's try Instagram. Just this part. Nope. It's not working again. Interesting. Why is this not working? I don't really see a reason for it to not work. That's interesting. I think this is a problem that I'll have to solve. I don't think ChatGPT will be able to solve this. And now we see the errors. Okay, this error will happen, but I don't think it's any cause for concern because if I reload the page, we have it. So what I asked ChatGPT to do, that's working. It created the. I mean, it doesn't look beautiful, but it's fine. It created all of this code and all the logic behind it, although it's not working yet. And I think I'll spend a few minutes or hours. I will update it in the description of the video later on, or with a comment, right? How long it took for me to fix this issue, because I'm not sure what's causing it. It might just be that we are adding it too far up, and you have to, where is it anyway? That we have to add it, at the bottom of the page. Oh my god, there you go. Right, so in that case, we have to find it, reveal in elements panel, and now I should just take it down. Wow, cool. And let's go, because style sheets cascade, let's just put it at the bottom here. That doesn't work either. Interesting. So yeah, I'll go through this and fix it. My camera stopped working for some reason. Bye. I'm waving my hand, you can't see.